you to be present till the end of this program. And our anchor for this evening is Bhaktin Patmaja. She is the daughter of His Grace Prasiddha Krishna Prabhu and Her Grace Sarvamangala Harini Devi Dasi Mataji. And she is doing her 12th here. And she is a very good garland maker, and still she is doing that service, and she is very enthusiastic in participating dramas, and moreover she is very good in that cleaning service. She loves that service. Okay? So I request all of you to please bless her to do this service nicely. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Patmaja.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Welcome, welcome, dear, to this Bhajan Sandhya. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Before
Kindly
I
take.
start, I would like to ask everyone to bless me so that I could anchor properly. Shall I start, Mataji?
Yes, dear. Yes, yes. Hare Krishna.
Om Ajnanatimirantasya Jnananjala Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Sri Bhaktivedanta Swamin Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devai Gauravani Prajarine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschat Desha Tarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. I would like to cordially invite all of you to today's Bhajan Sandhya on behalf of ISKCON Balram Desh. I would also like to invite the Varishta Vaishnavas of today's evening, that is His Grace Venupriya Gopal Das Prabhuji and Her Grace Rohini Sevni Devidas Mataji. Both Prabhuji and Mataji have been sincerely practicing Krishna consciousness from the time they have been in touch with ISKCON in 1994. Being disciples of His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, they have been serving the deities of Shyamasundara for over 25 years with utmost care and affection. Leading a Grihastha life, Prabhuji and Mataji never compromised on the upbringing of their children, who are now initiated and Bhakti Vriksha leaders, and help in spreading the mission of Srila Prabhupada. I would also like to invite the narrator for today's bhajan, His Grace Balwant Das Prabhuji. About our narrator, His Grace Balwant Das Prabhuji. Prabhuji is a temple as well as Bhakti Vriksha preacher, a very enthusiastic youth leader, temple board member, and Kirtan Mela organizer. Next, I would also like to invite the Kirtanya families of today. His Grace Chidananda Janardana Das Prabhuji, Her Grace Sri Rupa Kamala Devi Das Mataji, Bhakta Devaki Nandan, and Bhakta Adi Gopal.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji and Mataji.
As we all know, being devotees, it is of utmost importance to befriend a mind that engages in thoughts and actions for the Lord. Various acharyas of our sampradaya have given numerous instructions to guide the sadhakas, and of which bhajans play an important role in rejuvenating the prema for the Lordship. Today, we have rounded up 2 bhajans for the evening, that is Bajao Re Nanda Nandana and Sundara Bala. The Kirtanyas for the evening, His Grace Chidananda Janardana Das Prabhuji, Her Grace Sri Rupa Kamala Devi Das Mataji, Bhakta Devaki Nandan, and Bhakta Gopal, Adi Gopal. Now, I would like His Grace Balwant Prabhu to brief us about the bhajan.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Padmaja. Hare Krishna. So the first bhajan which the devotee is going to sing is Sundar Bala Sachi Dulala. So this is actually we do not know the author of this bhajan, but would like to actually describe the bhajan. The bhajan is basically about how Lord Chaitanya is dancing in the kirtan, and how Lord Chaitanya looks as a small child. You know, his locks of hairs, what jewelry he wears, what kind of garland he wears. Uh, all these things are actually described in bhajan. And then the first two stanzas, and the third stanza, it is explained about how Lord actually is non-different from Radha and Krishna. How Lord came here is non-different from Radha and Krishna, and and Lord is doing Sankirtan. And what happens in this Sankirtan? Somebody is taking the name of Radha and Krishna, somebody is taking the name of different pastimes of the Lord Hari. So this is the brief description of these four stanzas of this bhajan. As you know, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in around 534 years back to establish the Sankirtana movement. So one of the external reasons, or one of the main external reasons why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came was to establish the Sankirtan movement. But what is the internal reason why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came? One of the main internal reasons is to experience the mood or the love of Srimati Radharani. That was the experience. That is why in the third stanza, it is said that here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is coming, Radha and Krishna has joined in one body. So there is no difference. So, you know, if you actually read Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is said that in every day of Brahma, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes once. It is mentioned. So, if it has to taste, you know, if the internal purpose was to taste the love of Radharani, so why he has to come every day of Brahma? He can come only once and taste, right? He doesn't have to come again and again. Correct or no? But it is said that the Radharani's love is ever expanding. So by the time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes and goes back, he is actually, Radharani's love has expanded so many bounds, you know, that he has to come back again. That is the reason. It is said that Chaitanya Leela is a part of Krishna Leela, because after Krishna finished his Leela in Dwapar Yuga, and when he went back, he was not at all happy, because even though he spoke Bhagavad Gita, he actually gave the instructions, he was not at all happy. So he wanted to come back actually to actually give the not only the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, but how to practically implement the teachings of Bhagavad Gita in its life. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came back immediately. So the time for him to go back and come back, it is said that took 500 years. 4,500 years. That is why the difference between Krishna coming as Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna coming as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took that 4,500 years gap. Otherwise, there is no difference between Krishna Leela and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Leela. It is a continuation, it is mentioned. So with this, I would like to actually go to the translation of this bhajan. So the first stanza says like this: this gorgeous boy is the darling child of Mother Sachi. Dancing in the kirtan of chanting Lord Hari's name, his forehead is adorned with drawings of sandalwood paste, and his enchanting locks of hairs are shining in splendor fashion as they bounce upon his cheeks. Second stanza says, his hair is wrapped in a top knot, and a garland of forest flowers sway upon his chest. Wearing brilliant yellow silken garments, he dances with ankle bells tinkling upon his feet. Stanza number 3 says, Shri Radha and Krishna have become joined in one body, and together they play a flute within the grove of Niduvana. In this mood, the Lord of Vishwarupa has come and manifested himself in the town of Nadia. Stanza 4 mentions, someone in that kirtan sings the name of Radha and Krishna, someone else sings songs of Lord Hari's transcendental qualities, while others play the auspicious rhythm of the sweet and relishable Mridanga drums. All this take place in that spectacular performance. So this is a very, very beautiful bhajan. It's in Hindi, and it is one of the favorites of His Holiness Lokanath Swami Maharaj. Loknath Swami Maharaj also sung this once when he came to Bahrain in 2000, early 2009. I remember when he came, he sang this, and it was so enchanting when he sang this. So now I would hand it back to Padmaja to continue. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you for enlightening us with the wonderful narrations. Now, I would like to glorify the Kirtanyas of today's bhajan. His Grace Chidananda Janardhan Das Prabhuji is a preacher, pujari, temple Telugu events coordinator, active participant in Radha Seva, and is also the main administrator of the announcement group. Her Grace Sri Rupa Kamala Devidas Mataji is a temple as well as Madhav Garden preacher. Some of Mataji's sevas include deity dressing and Radha Seva. She is also the temple Telugu events facilitator and sub-council member. She has also completed the 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita within 18 days. Bhakta Adi Gopal is a very talented Mritanga and harmonium player. He is very friendly to all devotees. Bhakta Devaki Nandan is a great artist and learns slokas fast. He is also the one who helps in Mataji's presentation. Now, I shall request the Kirtanyas, Bhakta Devaki Nandan and family to take over with the bhajans.
Hare Krishna, Prabhujis and Matajis, please accept our humble obeisances. Sundara Bala Sachidulala Nachata Shri Hari Kirtan mein. Sundara Bala Sachidulala Nachata Shri Hari Kirtan mein. Sundara Bala Sachidulala नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. सुंदर बाला सचिदुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. बाली चंदन तिलक मनोहर बाली चंदन तिलक मनोहर बाली चंदन तिलक मनोहर बाली चंदन तिलक मनोहर अलक शोभित कोलन में अलक शोभित कोलन में. सुंदर बाला सचिदुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. सुंदर बाला सचिदुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. चीरे चूड़ा दरसी बाले चीरे चूड़ा दरसी बाले चीरे चूड़ा दरसी बाले चीरे चूड़ा दरसी बाले. वनकुल माला हिय पर डोले वनकुल माला हिय पर डोले वनकुल माला हिय पर डोले वनकुल माला हिय पर डोले. पहिरन पीत पटांबर शोभे पहिरन पीत पटांबर शोभे. नूपुर रुन झुनो चरणों में नूपुर रुन झुनो चरणों में नूपुर रुन झुनो चरणों में नूपुर रुन झुनो चरणों में. सुंदर बाला सचिदुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. सुंदर बाला सचिदुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में. राधा कृष्ण एक तनु बजाए, निधुवन माजे बंसी बजाए, निधुवन माजे बंसी बजाए। विश्वरूप की प्रभु जी सही, विश्वरूप की प्रभु जी सही, विश्वरूप की प्रभु जी सही, विश्वरूप की प्रभु जी सही। आवत प्रकट ही नदिया में, आवत प्रकट ही नदिया में, आवत प्रकट ही नदिया में, आवत प्रकट ही नदिया में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। कोई गायत है राधा कृष्ण नाम, 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 कोई गायत है हरि गुण गान, कोई गायत है हरि गुण गान। मंगलतान मृदंग रसाला, मंगलतान मृदंग रसाला, मंगलतान मृदंग रसाला, मंगलतान मृदंग रसाला। बाजत है कोई रंगन में, बाजत है कोई रंगन में, बाजत है कोई रंगन में, बाजत है कोई रंगन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। सुंदर बाला सखी दुलाला, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में।
Hare Krishna. It was very mesmerizing and enchanting bhajan. Thank you, Her Grace Sri Rupa Kamala Devdas Mataji. Moving towards the second bhajan of the evening, Bhajaure Manananda Nandana by Govindadas Kaviraja. I would like His Grace Balwantadas Prabhuji to proceed the bhajan with the narration.
Hare Krishna. So this beautiful bhajan, Bhaja Hure Mana, is written by Govinda Das. So I have actually seen that there are 4 purports by Srila Prabhupada on this bhajan. So I'm going to actually just repeat what Srila Prabhupada has spoken on this bhajan. Only some important points from his from January 7, 1969 in Los Angeles. So Prabhupada says, Bhajahure Mana Sri Nanda Nandana Abhaya Charana Ravindare. This is a song composed by Govinda Das, a great poet and Vaishnava. He says, addressing his own mind, because mind is the center of all elevation. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said that if you have your mind controlled, then your mind is the best friend. But if your mind is uncontrolled, then he is your greatest enemy. So, Govinda Dasa advises here that you should engage your mind in Krishna consciousness. Then mind becomes automatically controlled. If mind has no chance of being engaged in any other business except Krishna consciousness, then he cannot become my enemy. It is automatically my friend. That is the instruction in Srimad Bhagavatam. Savai mana Krishna padarvindayo. Lord King Ambarisha, he is first engaged his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. So similarly here also Govinda Dasa Thakura, he is asking his mind, my dear mind, just engage yourself to the lotus feet of Abhaya Charanavinda. Abhaya Charanavinda, that is the name of the lotus feet of Krishna. Srila Prabhupada, actually I'm just taking the important points where Prabhupada is speaking here. And then Prabhupada says how to discharge this Krishna consciousness. He says that he advises that Shravana Kirtana, Smarana Vandana, Pada Sevana Dasere. So you cannot adopt out of the 9 ways of devotional service, you can adopt out of the 9 ways of devotional service any one. If you can adopt all of them, that's very nice, Prabhupada says. If not, you can adopt 8 of them. If not, you can adopt 7 of them, 6 of them, 5 of them, 4 of them. But even if you adopt only 1 of them, your life will be successful. What are those 9 methods? Shravana Kirtana, hearing from authoritative sources and chanting. Shravanam Kirtanam, Smaranam, memorizing. Vandanam, prayers. Pada Sevanam, offering service to his lotus feet as eternal servant. Pujana Sakhijana, or just try to love Krishna as your friend. Atma Nivedana, or give up everything for Krishna. That is the way of devotional service. And Govinda Dasa is aspiring after that Krishna conscious business. This is what Srila Prabhupada is actually in his purport for this bhajan is saying. So I just wanted to repeat some of the important points what Srila Prabhupada said about this bhajan. I would not like to add anything from my own side. So Padmaja, I think, I will go to the translation now. So the translation speaks like this. O mind, just worship the lotus feet of the son of Nanda, which make one fearless. Having obtained this rare human birth, cross over this ocean of worldly existence through the association of saintly persons. Stanza 2. Both in the day and at night, I remain sleepless, suffering the pains of the heat and cold, the wind and the rain. For a fraction of flickering happiness, I have uselessly served wicked and miserly men. What assurance of real happiness is there in all of one's wealth, youthfulness, sons and family members? This life is tottering like a drop of water on a lotus petal. Therefore, you should always serve and worship the divine feet of Lord Hari. It is the desire and great longing of Govinda Dasa to engage himself in the 9 processes of bhakti, namely hearing the glories of Lord Hari and chanting those glories, constantly remembering him and offering prayers to him, serving the Lord's lotus feet, serving the Supreme Lord as a servant, worshipping him with flowers and incense and so forth, serving him as a friend and completely offering the Lord's one's very self, Atma Nivedana. So Hare Krishna. Thank you, Padma.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for the enlightening narrations. Next, I would like to call upon the Kirtaniya families to commence the bhajan.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji, Prabhuji and Mataji, please bless me. Hare Krishna. Bajaho re mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya Charanara Vindare. Bajaho re mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya Charanara Vindare. Durlabha manava janama satsange torohi e bhava sindhure. Durlabha manava janama satsange torohi e bhava sindhure. जामिनी जागिरे
सीता तपं बटबरी सन ए दिन जामिनी जागिरे
विफल सेविनो कृपण दुर्जन चपल सुकल बलागिरे
विफल सेविनो कृपण दुर्जन चपल सुकल बलागिरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
एदन यौवन पुत्र परिजन एटे की आचे पराती तेरे
येदन यौवन पुत्र परिजन इते कियाचे परती तिरे
कमल दल जल जीवन टलमल भजहु हरि पदानी तीरे
कमल दल जल जीवन टलमल भजहु हरि पदानी तिरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दासरे
श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दास्यरे
पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन गोविंद दास अभिलाष रे
पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन गोविंद दासाभिलाष रे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे
भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत्संगे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत्संगे तरोहि भव सिंधुरे तरोहि भव सिंधुरे भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण बिंदरे सीता तप बटबरी सन ए दिन जामिनी जागिरे सीता तप बटबरी सन ए दिन जामिनी जागिरे विफल सेविनो कृपण
भजो रे मन श्रीनन्दनन्दन अभय शरणराविन्दरे भजो रे मन श्रीनन्दनन्दन अभय शरणराविन्दरे श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वन्दन पाद सेवना दास्य रे श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वन्दन पाद सेवना दास्य रे पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन गोविंद दासा विलास रे गोविंद दासा विलास रे भजो रे मन श्रीनन्दनन्दन अभय चरणराविन्द रे भजो रे मन श्रीनन्दनन्दन अभय चरणराविन्द रे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा भक्त देवकी नंदन It was a very beautiful rendering to this beautiful composition. Next, I would like to call upon the Varishta Vaishnavas of today's Bhajan Sandhya. His Grace, as I've mentioned earlier, His Grace Venupriya Gopal Das Prabhuji and Her Grace Rohini Sevi Devdasi Mataji. Both Prabhuji and Mataji have been sincerely practicing Krishna consciousness since they've been in touch with ISKCON in 1994. Being disciples of His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, they have been serving the deities of Shyamasundara for over 25 years with utmost care and affection. Leading a Grihastha life, Prabhuji and Mataji never compromised on Krishna conscious upbringing for their children, who now are initiated and Bhakti Vriksha leaders spreading the mission of Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. I would like to request His Grace Venupriya Gopal Das Prabhuji and Rohini Sevni Devdas Mataji to please grace this evening with your words and also bless us. Hare Krishna. Yes.
Hare Krishna. Vanja Gajpadarivyascha Kripa Sindhubhye Gaja Pakitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Hare Krishna, Dandava Pranam to all devotees. Thank you for inviting us for Bhajan Sandhya. We feel very lucky to be a part of this evening. The bhajans were nice and sweet. All glories to His Grace Chidananda Janardana Dasa Prabhuji and family. Krishna bless you all. And we feel very happy to see you all on Zoom. Same time, we are praying unto the lotus feet of Sri Radha Shyamasundara Bhagavan, so that we can all meet in the temple as early as possible. We are missing our temple, so thank you for arranging this Bhajan Sandhya. We would like to thank His Grace Varadagopal Prabhuji and His Grace Balwantas Prabhuji and His Venkateshwara Gopal Prabhuji, Venkateshwara Govindadas Prabhuji and Vanshi Prabhuji and Shamapriya Mataji for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Bhakti Palpaja, for very good presentation. Hare Krishna, thank you very much again. Today for me, the double auspicious day, because one of this Ekadashi, another thing, Mataji is going to complete 110 round chanting. It's very close to 110 now. So for me, very auspicious day today, double or triple. So this is all from Vaishnava's blessing. Thank you very much. Again, thank you very much. Always I am the servant of this moment. Bhagavan, give me service more and more. Thank you very much.
Oh, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you for your kind words and blessings.
Thank you, Balma.
Thank you,
Blessing.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Lastly, I would like to thank Venkateshwara Prabhuji and the Bhajan Sandhya team for coordinating this event so beautifully. With that, I would like to end my words.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Let us pranam to one and all devotees assembled over here. I would also request Her Grace Rohini Sevni Mataji to speak a few words so that we receive the blessings of the most Varishta Vaishnavas, because Mataji has chanted 110 rounds. Amazing. Hare Krishna. Our humble obeisance at your lotus feet, Mataji, because the words what you speak from your lotus mouth will be a blessing for all of us. Hare Krishna. Arun Prabhu, could you kindly unmute Mataji? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, our God brothers and sisters. Thank you very much. Such a nice, wonderful evening. Thank you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji and Mataji, your family is really an inspiration for all Balram Desh devotees. We all know that. Hare Krishna, we are very much now encouraged by seeing your sincerity in devotional service being performed in Balram Desh. That is one of the reasons for us to actually come forward to take up services. Hare Krishna, thank you very much. I also thank His Grace Chidananda Janardhan Prabhuji, Shri Rupa Kamala Mataji, Bhakta Aditya, and Bhakta Darsh. Hare Krishna. It was very wonderful bhajan presentation by you all. Hare Krishna. And I'm missing Bhakta Aditya for this year's Damodara, because last year's Damodara was always with me. And we are missing this year's physical Damodara everywhere. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Bhakta Darsh. You sang very nicely. Bhaja Hare Vana. Hare Krishna. And I also thank Bhaktin Padmaja for doing a wonderful anchoring seva for the pleasure of the devotees and the Lordship. Thank you very much. May Lord Radha Bhairinishwara bless you so that you can achieve your desires. All your desires get fulfilled. Hare Krishna. And I also wholeheartedly thank His Grace Balwanta Das Prabhuji for narrating wonderfully the essence of the bhajan. As Shama Priya Mataji mentioned, these bhajans are really very powerful, and one has to take very seriously the essence of this and implement in our lives so that we can also progress in devotional service and serve the mission of Srila Prabhupada, Guru and Gauranga. Hare Krishna. And finally, I would thank Grace Shama Priya Gopika Mataji for initiating this wonderful evening with her sweet narrations about all the participants over here. Hare Krishna. And I would like to request Ratnabhushan Prabhu to share a few words about his experience this evening. Ratnabhushan Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam to all the Vaishnavas. Vanja Kalpada Rupasya Kribasandhu Evaja Parinanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo. Prabhuji, it's a very great initiative. We are undergoing a lot of stresses, a lot of crisis, but I think this has been a boon. We are hearing beautiful kirtans, beautiful bhajans, whatever. I think we are getting purified more and more with the narrations, and the presentation is getting better and better day by day. It is so beautifully arranged, and it's a beautiful event. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the devotees for giving us this blessing. Thank you so much, and especially for the senior devotees as well. Thank you so much for your blessings as well. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Now I would request our temple president for the announcement this evening before we conclude. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Venkateshwar Prabhu. Prabhuji, did you announce about Mahavara Prabhu and other things, or still that is?
That is there, Prabhu. I wanted to announce, but when I saw you, I thought if you do it, it is better, Prabhu.
No, you do it at the end. I just want to thank all the participants. And also I would like to thank Anchor Bhaktini Padmaja. You did a wonderful job. And the family, which I like most, the Chidananda Janardhan Prabhu family, because they are all totally, fully dedicated, very sincere. And especially Devaki Nandan is so spiritual at that age. Very happy to see the family nicely sung, actually, the bhajans. And Varishta Vaishnava family, another family which I like most, because only two is balanced there at this moment. Now one is Bindya Mataji and another one is our Manoj Prabhuji. So we are praying for them, two of them. and Venupriya Gopaldas Prabhuji taking the lead and making the whole family Krishna consciousness. And because of their steadiness, the parents' steadiness, all are sticking, and it's very amazing actually, you know. And when I see their family, when I talk to them, I get inspiration so much. Thank you so much for the whole family. Hare Krishna, Varishna Vaishnava, please bless us. And also I thank Balwant Prabhuji for very nicely narrating today, and Achita Giridhari Das Prabhu for the class, and the Bhajan Sandhya team. Jai! We are doing so nice, and I am seeing there is a lot of perfection coming along, and also devotees happily participating. That's a very good sign. Please spread this one more and more into families. Let this be a family program. Personally invite also, call, some of you call and invite them, some new families to join. This way we can engage them and make them more Krishna consciousness. So I thank His Grace Venkateshwar Prabhu, His Grace Dayanidhi Prabhu, Her Grace Rukmini Preeti Devidasi Mataji, His Grace Chitari Chandra Prabhuji, Her Grace Shama Saki Mataji, and His Grace Vamshidhar Prabhu. Everyone I personally thank. Very nice initiative, and it's going well. So I'm sure Radha Bernishwara, even though he is not directly participating, but definitely he will be hearing everything and he will be pleased with all our services. Shri Shri Radha Bernishwara Bhagavan ki jai, Krishna Balaram ki jai, Gaur Nitya Bhagavan ki jai, Prahlad Narsingadev Bhagavan ki jai, Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Mai ki jai, Balram Desh Bhakta Vrund ki jai. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you for the appreciations given to all the devotees who have participated and who are behind this program. Actually, all credit goes to the temple management who actually advised us and guided us to bring in such a program. So we are just doing our service to please devotees and Guru and Gauranga. Hare Krishna. Before we conclude this small announcement.
हरे कृष्णा जी, माइक थोड़ा अपने पास ले लीजिए.
Sure, Prabhuji. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Before we conclude, a small announcement. His Holiness Nithai Chaitanya Maharaj